So the last couple videos I've done, we've got the trusty airplane and foam runway here. Let's take the airplane out of the picture and talk about this runway. What are these numbers and why are they important? We're going to get into that today. Every runway that we use has some sort of designation. Might just be one number, might be two numbers, might be two numbers like you see here with a letter. What does all that mean? These numbers, simply put, are showing the pilots what the magnetic direction is that the runway is pointing. So in this instance, this is Atlanta Airport. We have 27, so that's saying that this runway is facing 270 degrees, which is magnetic west. Our foam runway here says 24, which is 240 degrees, which is roughly magnetic southwest. In the Atlanta example, the picture I just previously showed had 27 right. So here's that 27 right runway. Why is it right? Well, that just indicates that there's another runway facing the same direction, and this one is 27 left. So you have two parallel runways facing magnetic west. One is 27 left, one is 27 right. You'll often see this at busier airports. They'll typically use one runway for landing, one runway for departure. In this case, Atlanta oftentimes uses 27 left for planes coming in to land, and aircraft that are taxiing out will follow these taxiways down here and depart off of 27 right. All right, so if this runway says 27 right, what does the opposite end say? Well, if we go down to the other end of the runway, it's going to be 09 left. And that just means that the other end of the runway, if you're facing the exact opposite direction, you're going to be 090 degrees, which is magnetic east, and now you're on the left runway. And you can see that the bottom runway now says 09 right. Now, if you pay really close attention, you'll notice at some airports around the country that these numbers might change. Why is that? Well, these runways are based off of magnetic headings, and magnetic north is never a set target. The magnetic fields often change and can sometimes shift, and when that happens, these runways are no longer aligned to the previous designation that they had. One example is here at Reno Tahoe Airport. These runways used to be 3-4 left and 3-4 right, 1-6 left and 1-6 right, and now it's 3-5 left and 3-5 right, 1-7 left, 1-7 right. So there was a slight 10-degree shift in magnetic